Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Friday, to another episode of Juliben Mathematics. This is episode 7. Oh yes, episode 7. In episode 6, we saw how to find the square of any number between 51 to 59 mathematically, and it comes within 2 seconds. If you have not watched that video, please go ahead and click. If you're asked, for example, what is the square of 55, you simply tell them it's 3025. How could it come so fast? Watch that video after this one. The link is going to be at the description box below so that you can get that at the back of your head too. Now, straight in today's episode, which is episode 7, we are going to release another fallacy. Yes, another fallacy in mathematics. Now, when we talk about fallacy is actually a statement that is that has an error, or let me just say fallacy is simply an error in reasoning. Now, I'm going to show you how 2 is equal to 1. Oh yes, that's what we are going to do in this video. Now, ideally 2 is not equal to 1, but mathematically, how can 2 be equal to 1? That is what this video is all about. We know it is not equal to 1, but we are going to follow some processes and you will surely be amazed. It's all about having fun. Now, if you are here for the first time, you've not, visited this channel before, you've not clicked the subscription box before, this is the right time to do that so that you can have access to these videos each time they drop. Click that notification bell, go ahead and make your comment, and then also do well to give a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give a thumbs down, but I'm sure you're gonna like it. Let's go straight to class and make that mathematics happen. Alright, in this video we're going to prove to you that 2 is equal to 1. That is exactly the target of this video. Now, we are going to make a little assumption as usual. Let's assume that x is equal to y, for example. X is equal to y. X can be anything, y can be anything. Now, at this point, let's multiply both sides by x. If I multiply here by x, I'm going to have something like this. Multiply here by x, I'm going to have something like this, such that x times x will give me x squared, and then x times y will give me xy. So what I did here is the same thing I did here, so there's nothing like you disfavored one side to favor another. Now at this point, I am going to do another subtraction here. I'm going to subtract y squared here, and I'm also going to subtract the same y squared here, so that what I'm doing here, I'm doing here, and that's equality. So x squared minus y squared will be equal to xy minus y squared. Can you see that? So I'm subtracting y squared here, I'm as well subtracting y squared here. So what I've done here, I've done here. Now I'm going to expand this using difference of 2 squares, and that is going to be x minus y in bracket x plus y, which will be equal to, here I'm going to factorize. Y seems to be common, so y bracket x minus y, such that y times x will give me xy, y times y will give me y squared. And of course, x times x is x squared, y times y is y squared. So what is here is equal to what is here. There's no big deal about that. But if you look, something is common. X minus y, x minus y. So I can comfortably cancel this and then bring this down. X plus y to be equal to y. That's not over. Now, x plus y, if it happens to be equal to y, you tell yourself that, but ab initio, in the beginning, we made an assumption x is equal to y, but x is equal to y, and that invariably means that anywhere I see x, I can comfortably put y. So there is an x here, let me substitute it with y. So I'm going to have y plus y will now be equal to y, and of course y plus y is 2y, which is equal to y. And of course, if you divide both sides by y, y cancels y, y cancels y, you'll be left with 1. So 2 will be equal to 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Juliben Mathematics. I think the proof has been established, right? Now, this is actually a fallacical statement in mathematics. Ideally, 2 can never be equal to 1. But it's a fallacy, it's an error in mathematics. Now, let's see where the error is. If you're smart enough to pinpoint it before me, you can do that in the comment box. Look at this point. This cancellation can only hold provided that x minus y is not equal to 0. So long as it is not equal to 0, you cannot cancel. And that is where the magic, gets its base and then thumbs up. Alright, thanks for watching. This is still Julben Mathematics. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe. And then see you guys next weekend for another episode, which is episode 8. And I promise you, it's going to blow your mind. Thanks for watching.